Hello, green thumbs and aspiring gardeners. Welcome to our special journey into the world of gardening. We are Dust King Archives, and today, we'll explore the basics of gardening to help you cultivate your own green oasis. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about getting started. Gardening is not just about planting, it's about planning. Begin by choosing the right location for your garden. Consider sunlight, soil quality, and space. Once you've got that figured out, it's time to decide what you want to grow. Are you dreaming of vibrant flowers, fresh veggies, or maybe a mix of both? Every gardener needs their set of tools. A good trowel and a pair of sturdy gloves are your best friends. They'll make planting and weeding much easier. Don't forget a watering can or a hose for hydration, and a rake for soil maintenance. Trust me, these tools will become an extension of your gardening hands. Now, let's talk about the foundation of any successful garden, the soil. Good soil is the key to healthy plants. Consider testing your soil's pH and texture. Most plants prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. If needed, amend your soil with compost or organic matter. And don't forget to feed your plants. Fertilize regularly to provide them with the nutrients they need to thrive. The exciting part, choosing your plants. Whether you're into colorful flowers, delicious fruits, or fresh herbs, the options are endless. Consider your climate and the season when selecting plants. Remember, different plants have different needs, so choose wisely. And for beginners, start with easy-to-grow varieties to boost your confidence. Congratulations, you've got your garden up and running. But the work doesn't stop there. Regular maintenance is crucial for a thriving garden. Water your plants consistently, but be mindful not to overwater. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Early detection is key. And don't forget to prune and deadhead to encourage healthy growth and blooms. Well, there you have it, aspiring gardeners, the basics of gardening. Remember, it's a journey of patience, love, and a little bit of trial and error. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and embrace the joy of watching your garden flourish. Happy gardening, and may your thumbs forever stay green. If you enjoyed this guide, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your own gardening experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting!